Good evening, and now former judge is on the wrong side of the law, appearing virtually for his first initial court appearance.
Yeah, William Kendall is facing a felony sexual abuse charge and drug charges as well. Our 2 News investigative team breaking this story back in March. Wendy Holleran watched his initial appearance and joins us in the studio right now with more. Wendy?
Well, Mark and Heidi, the former judge has assembled his defense team, a trio of attorneys, Greg Skordas, Jeremy Delecino, and Anne-Marie Taliaferro. They filed a motion asking the judge to waive his in-person appearance in court today, and they would answer for him. But the judge denied that motion. Second District Court in Farmington, the state of Utah versus William Kendall.
Kendall is case number 251-700-729, set today for an initial appearance.
Judge Jennifer Valencia indicating she didn't have a record that Kendall surrendered to the Davis County Jail prior to his initial appearance, which he was ordered to do.
I don't see that the book and release has been done. Is that correct?
The former judge?
I completed that this morning.
He was booked and released. One of his attorneys, Greg Skordas, told the judge he sent her the offense tracking number, OTN for short, for verification he did in fact go through the arrest process.
Your Honor, I put the OTN number in a chat to you.
While he was on the bench, then Judge Kendall was accused of several crimes and was placed on administrative leave before ultimately resigning. On April 2nd, Davis County Attorney Troy Rawlings charged then Judge Kendall with forcible sexual abuse, a second-degree felony, distribution of or arranging to distribute a controlled substance, a third-degree felony, for marijuana possession and THC products, and possession of drug paraphernalia. Unified Police Officer Caden Sperry's probable cause statement says, on the night of February 21st, Kendall hosted a gathering at his home. He had been drinking alcohol with others and provided THC to at least one of the female participants. They used it together in his TV room. The woman admitted to using the THC product provided by Judge Kendall and called it a weed pen. Kendall is accused of grabbing and grinding on the buttocks of a woman and grabbing her breast without her consent, taking indecent liberties with her with the intent to arouse or gratify sexual desires. When Unified Police executed a search warrant at Kendall's Mill Creek home, they found THC products and paraphernalia. Kendall confirming his name and date of birth for Judge Valencia.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Skordas telling Judge Valencia they will waive the formal reading of the charges and...
Your Honor, we're prepared to conditionally waive the preliminary hearing today and set this matter for an arraignment before the assigned judge.
To confirm, Mr. Kendall, that is correct. You'd like to waive both the reading as well as the conditional waiver of the preliminary hearing?
Correct, Your Honor.
The court docket shows Davis County prosecutors requested a pretrial protective order. Prosecutor Gage Arnold.
At this time, the alleged victim of count 1 is not requesting the pretrial protective order. However, she would like to reserve that issue in case the need arises in the future.
Now, the case was bound over. Kendall's arraignment has been scheduled for June 23rd before Judge Ronald Russell in Farmington. That gives his defense team 5 weeks to prepare.